Welcome to the eFinancial Models walkthrough of the Beverage Manufacturing Startup Financial Model. This model is designed to be your financial roadmap, guiding you through the complexities of financial planning, forecasting, and decision-making in the beverage industry. You can find the link to the model in the description below. The primary objective of this model is to project your business's financial future, assess its viability, and anticipate challenges. It is a crucial resource for understanding performance, determining funding requirements, and evaluating valuation and profitability. This model allows you to effectively plan for growth, secure necessary funding, and manage debt and equity, making it essential for informed, data-driven decisions that support your business's success. Whether you're launching a new beverage brand or expanding an existing one, this tool provides a comprehensive financial plan tailored to your needs. This beverage manufacturing startup model features assumptions, financial calculations, break-even analysis, investor insights, and executive summaries, providing a comprehensive financial overview. The assumption sheet is the model's foundation, which includes several key sections, including determining the revenue sources, volume, production capacity, pricing, and cost structure. In the beverage industry, revenue is primarily generated through the sale of products across various channels. This revenue stream is influenced by factors such as packaging sizes, beverage types, distribution channels, and market segments, all of which play a crucial role in driving sales and profitability. In this financial model, revenue is driven by the number of monthly sales of beverages measured in stock-keeping units, SKUs. Our model allows users to define up to 5 different packaging sizes, each with its specific volume. These packaging sizes are then categorized into up to 10 beverage types, with sales tracked per SKU. Understanding distribution channels and market segments is essential for a successful business strategy. Distribution channels such as retailers, wholesalers, direct customers, e-commerce platforms, and export markets are the routes through which products reach consumers. Identifying key players within these channels is crucial for strategic planning, cost management, and market expansion. After setting the default assumptions, users can further refine and analyze their business plan by identifying up to 150 market segments. These segments can then be categorized according to their respective beverage types and distribution channels, enhancing the ability to target specific markets and optimize sales strategies. Volume assumptions are essential for estimating the number of units you plan to produce and sell, as they directly impact production planning, sales forecasting, and overall financial performance. In this template, users can set target monthly sales per SKU for each market segment during the first desired production year. Additionally, users can choose the specific month in the first year to begin production. Based on these assumptions, the model generates a detailed monthly financial forecast for the first 2 years, helping you understand your budget and multi-year projections for the beverage manufacturing plant. Since revenue is primarily generated from monthly beverage sales measured in SKUs, the model calculates revenue by applying the set prices per SKU once volume sales are determined. Pricing is more than just a number. It's a powerful tool for influencing sales, attracting customers, and maximizing profits. The right price can make or break your brand. Our beverage manufacturing template is a game changer, empowering investors and companies to specify and fine-tune pricing strategies across different market segments and distribution channels. With this template, users can also explore and assume additional monthly revenue streams beyond traditional beverage offerings, such as licensing income. The revenue model is a comprehensive tool that forecasts income from beverage sales across various market segments and explores additional revenue streams. By enabling detailed analysis, this model helps maximize profitability and supports long-term business growth. Now that we've discussed revenue, let's shift our focus to costs, an essential part of maintaining profitability. Direct costs are a key factor in driving profitability, with each market segment and beverage type having unique cost drivers. For example, premium beverages may incur higher ingredient costs, while bulk products might have more significant logistics expenses. Employee costs, including both direct labor on the production floor and indirect labor like administrative staff, also play a critical role in overall expenses. Operating expenses such as utilities, rent, marketing, and maintenance are another significant component of your cost structure. Keeping a close eye on these expenses helps prevent overspending and keeps your business running smoothly. Strategically managing costs is crucial for maximizing profitability and ensuring efficient resource allocation. This financial model excels at analyzing direct and operating costs, running scenarios, and assessing their impact on profit margins, helping you identify cost savings and optimize expenses in the competitive beverage industry. Having covered revenue and costs, it's essential to recognize the significance of capital expenditures, CAPEX, in a beverage manufacturing plant. CAPEX involves investments in physical assets like machinery, equipment, infrastructure, and storage equipment, which are essential for maintaining and expanding production capacity. Given the model's flexibility in handling different packaging sizes with respective volumes in liters, the model calculates the total volume sold in liters, linked to the SKUs sold. Utilizing this analysis allows you to plan up to 5 strategic expansion steps and provide a clear understanding of the additional capital expenditure required to meet your production, ensuring your manufacturing plant is well equipped to accommodate future demand and support business growth. The model offers comprehensive tools for managing debt and equity financing, which is crucial for securing the funds needed to support your beverage manufacturing venture. You can identify up to 6 sources for debt financing, forecast debt drawdown schedules, set interest rates, and establish repayment terms. The debt schedule is specifically designed for presentation to banks and investors, showcasing the financial ratios and analyses they require to assess the project's feasibility and your business's repayment capability. On the equity side, the model outlines your funding needs and provides options for planning multiple rounds of equity financing, such as seed, Series A, Series B, and Series C. This feature helps you understand the effects of each funding phase on pre- and post-money valuations, shareholder dilution, and investor returns. By calculating expected investor returns based on cash flow forecasts, the model enables clear communication of potential returns, helping to attract investment while ensuring you maintain control and drive growth. Once the financial statements are forecasted, the model calculates the required financing to execute your business plan, providing key financial metrics, including internal rate of return, IRR, cash-on-cash yield, payback period, and net present value, NPV, which are essential for evaluating the feasibility and profitability of your project. These metrics help you assess potential returns on investment and determine the viability of your business plan. The model also includes a break-even analysis, allowing you to calculate the required beverage sales volume, SKUs, and average pricing needed to break even at the EBIT level in a specific year. A standout feature of this model is its scenario analysis capability, allowing you to explore various scenarios and visualize the immediate effects of each decision. By showing how different choices impact your financial outcomes, the model empowers you to make data-driven decisions that drive your business forward. This tool eliminates the guesswork in financial planning, enabling you to explore key assumptions and plan confidently for a secure financial future. Lastly, the model is pitch deck ready, helping you present your business plan clearly and professionally to investors to support your funding efforts. Starting a beverage manufacturing venture is an exciting journey that demands a deep understanding of both the art of manufacturing and the science of financial management. This template is designed for entrepreneurs launching a beverage business who need a detailed financial plan for rollout and fundraising. It's also perfect for established companies seeking to expand, raise additional capital, or prepare for a sale. Gain an edge in fundraising or launch a successful beverage manufacturing business with a robust 10-year financial model. Create your blueprint for long-term profitability and scalability in this competitive market.